Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, let's explore how to enable autosave in Visual Studio Code on Mac. And of course, you can do it as well on Windows. So the point of this is that Visual Studio Code can autosave your files on autofocus. So it means basically your files will be autosaved automatically and you won't lose changes. So on Mac, you need to press Command Shift P. Command Shift Command Shift P. Yep. And then you need to search for Preferences Open Settings UI or something like this. So, or you can just go to like Visual Studio Code and search for Preferences Open Settings. And then commonly used here you will have autosave. So, or you can just search for autosave. And then you have this menu here, autosave. And then you can just enable on focus change. A dirty editor is automatically saved when the editor loses focus. You can also select after delay or on window change. Dirty editor automatically saved when the window. So yeah, something like that, and focus changed. So yeah, you can also, if you select autosave delay, you can specify a delay. And then there you have it. That's it. And then now your files should be auto-saved. So let's try it out. So you see now it's saved automatically. So that's cool. If I forgot to save something, now I don't need to worry. Hope that was helpful.